Dream big, save bigger. $100,000 in 1 year. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and security that comes with such a significant financial milestone. Saving $100,000 in a year might seem impossible. It's a daunting figure that can make anyone feel overwhelmed. It feels like a distant dream, right? A goal that only the financially elite can achieve. But what if I told you it's achievable? Yes, you heard that right. With determination and the right strategies, you can make it happen. With the right plan and commitment, you can turn this financial dream into reality. It's all about making smart choices and staying disciplined. It all starts with a simple, powerful tool, the 47.90 rule. This rule is designed to help you save efficiently and effectively. Get ready to be amazed as we unlock the secrets to saving big and achieving your financial goals. Let's get started. We'll break down the steps and show you how to implement this rule in your daily life. Imagine the possibilities with $100,000 in the bank. The opportunities are endless. A down payment on your dream home, a comfortable retirement fund. These are just a few of the things you could achieve. The freedom to pursue your passions without financial worries. Think about the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. The 47.90 rule can help you get there. It's a straightforward approach that anyone can follow. It's time to take control of your finances and unlock your full saving potential. Start today and watch your savings grow beyond your expectations. Cracking the code. The 47.90 rule explained. This rule is a game changer for anyone serious about building wealth and securing their financial future. The 47.90 rule is not a magic trick. It's a simple mathematical principle. It's grounded in the idea that consistent, disciplined saving can lead to substantial financial growth. It's about consistently saving and investing a significant portion of your income. This approach ensures that you are always prioritizing your future financial health. Here's how it works. You save 47.9% of your income every time you get paid. That's it? This might seem daunting at first, but with careful planning, it's entirely feasible. This may sound like a lot, and it is. However, the rewards are well worth the effort. Over time, you'll see your savings grow in ways you never thought possible. But remember, big goals require bold actions. Taking this step can set you on a path to financial independence and security. The beauty of this rule lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It doesn't require complex financial knowledge, just a commitment to saving. By diligently setting aside almost half of your income, you'll witness your savings grow exponentially. This disciplined approach can lead to significant financial freedom. The power of compounding will work its magic, allowing your money to make more money over time. This means that the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit. Don't be discouraged by the seemingly large percentage. We'll explore practical strategies to make it achievable. From budgeting tips to investment advice, we'll cover everything you need to succeed with the 47.90 rule. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how you can implement this rule in your life and start seeing real results. Your financial future is in your hands. Your blueprint to success: budgeting made easy. Budgeting is the cornerstone of successful saving. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious choices about your spending. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back. You'll be surprised how much you can save by making small adjustments. There are various budgeting methods available, but the key is to find one that suits your lifestyle and stick to it. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify the process. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation. It's about aligning your spending with your financial goals. Expense tracking. Shine a light on your spending habits. Tracking expenses is crucial to understand your spending patterns. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Every dollar counts. When you track expenses, you identify areas to reduce spending. This awareness empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Remember that latte you buy every morning? Or the subscription you barely use? These small expenses add up over time. By tracking your spending, you can identify and eliminate unnecessary costs, freeing up more money to save. Section 5. The power of saying no. Cutting back for a greater goal. Cutting back on expenses doesn't mean sacrificing your lifestyle. It means making conscious choices about your spending. Can you cook at home more often? Explore free or low-cost entertainment options. Delay unnecessary purchases. Every dollar saved brings you closer to your goal. Remember, saying no to unnecessary expenses is not about deprivation. It's about prioritizing your financial goals and making choices that align with your values. Small sacrifices today can lead to significant rewards tomorrow. Section 6. Real people, real results. Success stories with the 47.90 rule. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable financial transformations using the 47.90 rule. Meet Sarah, a single mom who paid off $50,000 in debt in just 1 year. Or John and Mary, who saved a down payment for their dream home in record time. These stories prove that with dedication and the right approach, anything is possible. These success stories highlight the transformative power of the 47.90 rule. By adopting this disciplined approach to saving, ordinary people have achieved extraordinary financial results, proving that financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to commit. Section 7. Staying motivated. Your journey to financial freedom. Saving $100,000 in a year is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way. Stay focused on your goals. Visualize your future self, free from financial stress. Celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Remember, your journey to financial freedom is uniquely yours. It's okay to have ups and downs, but the key is to stay committed to your goals. Celebrate your progress, learn from your setbacks, and never be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Section 8. Overcoming obstacles. Tips for staying on track. Life throws curveballs and unexpected expenses happen. The key is to anticipate and prepare for them. Build an emergency fund to cover unforeseen events. Adjust your budget as needed. Don't let setbacks derail your progress. Stay flexible and adapt. Financial challenges are a part of life, but they don't have to derail your progress. By anticipating obstacles and having a plan to overcome them, you can stay on track towards your financial goals. Remember, resilience and adaptability are key to achieving long-term success. Section 9. Reaping the rewards. What to do with your savings. Congratulations! You've successfully saved $100,000 in 1 year. Now what? Invest wisely to grow your wealth. Pay off high-interest debts. Consider a down payment on a home. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the financial freedom you've earned. Saving $100,000 is a remarkable achievement, but it's essential to have a plan for your newfound wealth. Whether you choose to invest, pay off debt, or pursue other financial goals, make sure your decisions align with your long-term aspirations. Section 10. Beyond the 47.90 rule, building long-term financial health. The 47.90 rule is a powerful tool for short-term savings goals, but it's important to think long-term. Develop sustainable financial habits. Continue to budget, save, and invest. Seek professional financial advice. Build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Financial health is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By adopting sound financial practices and seeking professional guidance, you can build a solid foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Remember, financial well-being is about more than just money. It's about achieving peace of mind and living a fulfilling life. Section 11. Take charge of your future. Start saving today. It's never too early or too late to start thinking about your financial future. The decisions you make today can have a profound impact on your life tomorrow. Saving $100,000 in 1 year is an ambitious goal, but it's achievable with the 47.90 rule. This rule is a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you systematically build your savings over time. Commit to your financial freedom. This commitment is not just about putting money aside. It's about adopting a mindset of financial responsibility and discipline. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Even the smallest contributions can add up over time, leading to significant financial growth. Take control of your finances and unlock a brighter future. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plans, you can stay on track and achieve your goals. Your journey to financial success starts today. Just like planting a seed, your savings need time and care to grow into something substantial. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Taking that initial step can set the momentum for your entire financial journey. By taking action today and embracing the principles of the 47.90 rule, You can pave the way for a future filled with financial security and peace of mind. This rule encourages you to save 47.90% of any extra income you receive, making it easier to reach your financial goals. The power to transform your financial life is in your hands. With determination, consistency, and the right strategies, you can achieve financial empowerment and enjoy the benefits of a well-planned financial future.